have a smartphone, you can become a UGC creator. Hey guys, I'm Ishika, or you can call me Ish, and I'm a UGC creator and a UGC coach. I worked with over 100 brands in this 1 year of my journey. I started on the 16th of August 2024, and this 16th of August, I'm gonna be completing 1 year. If you want to learn how even you can earn more than 1 lakh rupees a month from UGC, do subscribe to my channel because I'll be uploading more guides regarding UGC on this channel from now onwards. So let's get started with the video. So what exactly is UGC? UGC is user generated content. Alright. So UGC basically is some kind of a content that is created by people like you and me, not by professionals. Brands love UGC because UGC is the most authentic, most real type of content there is. Usually when you see a picture or a video taken by a brand, it usually is very professional, shot by a photographer or a professional videographer, and that's just for commercial purposes. When it comes to UGC, it's very real because it's shot by people like you and me. It acts as a social proof, it's reliable, and it's like a testimonial. So there is testimonial, there is obviously unboxing videos, and there is of course demo videos. So if suppose there is a product that people don't really know how to use, or it's a bit of a complicated product, or it is something that people are struggling to understand, so there can be a demo video where a person is showing how to use a particular product. So if I had to tell you the very basic difference between UGC and influencer, it's that UGC is something in which followers are not required, whereas for influencer you need hundreds and lakhs and millions of followers. Alright, so for UGC we don't need any followers, whereas for influencer we need lakhs of followers. So for UGC, by the way, people are paid for content, and for influencer, paid for reach. Okay, so usually UGC creators are paid per video or per piece of content, and influencers are paid for how much their content has reached people, multiple people. Now for the very important part of the video, for UGC is used by brands, and in this case of influencers, well, audience sees the videos. And the main difference is obviously that whenever you're creating content as a UGC creator, it does not go on your page, whatever page it is that you have. Whereas as an influencer, whatever content it is that you're creating, it goes up on your page. So if you want to do UGC secretly, then this is like the perfect option for you. If you want to create content secretly, then UGC is the way to go. So you need a smartphone. That is the first step of becoming a UGC creator. Now, you do not need any sort of professional light or a good background or nothing like that. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to pick a niche. So whatever category it is that you want to create the videos in, okay, so it could be fashion, it could be lifestyle, it could be beauty, it could be home appliances, it could be anything that you want. You just need to pick a niche, whatever it is, okay. And the next step that you're going to do is, whatever niche it is that you have chosen, you need to create videos around that niche with your own products. So suppose if I chose beauty, then I have lipsticks, I have makeup products at home, I have skincare products at home as well. So I'm going to create some example videos with those products. Now moving on to the next step, what you're going to do, you are going to create an Instagram account. Create an Instagram account, or you can create a Canva portfolio, but I would prefer that you create an Instagram account. So now once you have done all of these steps, you are good to go. Now the next step would be to start pitching and finding clients. When you're starting UGC, you do not need any kind of fancy equipments, be it professional lighting, be it a microphone, be it a good DSLR camera, nothing like that. Just a smartphone is enough for you to start your UGC journey. Now we come to the main topic. So how much can you actually earn from UGC? Any guesses? Sorry, this is not an interactive video. Forgot. Anyways, so compared to the US, in India the rates are comparatively less cheaper than it is in the Western countries, because in the Western countries you can get paid anywhere from $0 to even $2,000. But sadly, in India, the rates start anywhere from 500 rupees to even 7,000 or 8,000 rupees. Now, if you're taking up even 10 videos a month, 10 videos a month, right, you get 70,000 rupees. But Ishika, you told us that you can make more than 1 lakh rupees from UGC every month. But this is only 70,000. So what's the catch? I'll tell you what the catch is. Alright, so this is just the video charges, by the way. Now there's another thing called usage rights. Whatever video it is that you have created, now the charge of creating that video was 7,000. But now when the brand will be using that video and profiting from that video, their sales will go up, and people will interact more with their page, stuff like that. They will have to pay you a compensation for that. It's called usage rights, and you can charge anywhere in between 20, 30 or 40% of your video charges. I go with 30% usually. So now when you calculate again, it's gonna come to 70,000 plus 30% of 70,000, which comes to 21,000. Oh, and did I mention, I'm so sorry, the 30% charge that I mentioned is for just 1 month. And usually brands can ask for 3 months usage rights or 9 months or even a year ka usage rights. So now you can understand, figure out from this entire board how much can you earn, because this was just for 1 month. Now imagine for 3 months, 3 times of 21,000, which comes to 63,000. So 70,000 plus an additional 63,000. Now, sorry, before you see all this, let me make something very clear. The rates that I've just mentioned, that 7,000 per video, it actually varies on the type of content that you're creating. UGC is not for you if you want to become famous or go viral. UGC is not for you if you do not like to create content. You can also create faceless UGC, but for that, usually the income and the pay is much more lesser than the ones on which you are there in the video. UGC is again not for you if you do not have time of at least 4 hours a day. Again, UGC is not for you if you do not like to pitch to brands, or you cannot put in the efforts. When I started, I used to pitch 200 to 300 brands every day, and out of them only 4 or 5 could reply. So yes, it's a lot of work in the beginning at least, and you need to be very consistent with this. Most importantly, UGC is not for you if you want a stable income, because in this field of work, the income totally depends on the efforts that you're putting in.